Yes, it is too late to start a YouTube channel. If you're stuck in your head asking that question over and over again, let me tell you why. It's like standing at the edge of a cold swimming pool, observing and tentatively dipping just a single toe in and deciding to wait because you think the water in that swimming pool is going to magically warm up on its own. But it never does. And the longer you wait, the more intimidating that jump feels. And while you wait, the more the swimming pool fills up with people who have jumped in and appear to be having the time of their lives. And this makes you jealous, and now really you want to get into that swimming pool. But it looks too busy now, and it's full of people who seem to know what they're doing and they can swim a lot better than you can. So you leave it for the day and you say to yourself, maybe tomorrow. But guess what? That pool is still going to be just as cold tomorrow, and even more people are likely to jump in. And that's because it's easier than ever to start a YouTube channel, I mean, not to jump into a swimming pool. I've finished with that analogy. Thanks, ChatGPT. I know this to be true because at an absolute minimum, lowest number possible, 65% of you could start a YouTube channel right now because you're watching on a phone or a tablet. That means you've got access to a camera, a microphone, and the internet. So technology is giving you permission to start a YouTube channel. But maybe your argument is that you don't have a powerful enough phone to do what you want to do, or you don't have any lights and you need a brand new computer to edit all of these videos and make fantastic thumbnails, and yet you don't have any budget whatsoever to get any of these things. Well, that is like refusing to plant seeds because you can't afford a greenhouse, not realizing that with just a small patch of soil and a little bit of sunlight, something will grow. Well, YouTube gives you that patch of soil for free. And just like the sun, audiences will always show up looking for something to watch on YouTube for free. So your budget, even if it doesn't exist, is giving you permission to start a YouTube channel. Now, usually you'll hear my voice from behind the camera when it comes to vidIQ videos. But for this one, it's absolutely necessary that I stand in front of a camera. Yeah, I started with very little, including talent, it would seem. But it didn't stop me from jumping in. And if you are too tentative to jump in, then you are still in the vast minority. 84% of the 25,000 people we surveyed still think it's not too late to start a YouTube channel. And the inspiration from the comments of that poll are just heartwarming. We've got people starting YouTube channels in their 40s, 50s, 60s, even older than that. People who've watched YouTube for years as a kid and are now old enough to start their own channels, and others who started last week and already have 800 subscribers. And then of course, we have those who have jumped in the YouTube swimming pool today. So your fellow creators, this community is giving you permission to start a YouTube channel. But I will add a caveat at this point, a harsh reality of YouTube revealed by those numbers. There are literally thousands and thousands of people starting YouTube channels today, and the vast majority of them aren't afraid to jump in and see what happens. So yes, while it is true that it has never been easier to start a YouTube channel, it has also never been as hard to get discovered on YouTube. The secret is out at this point. Everybody knows what YouTube can do, how it can change lives, and everybody wants a piece of it. So how do I phrase this one? Let's go with ambition. Yeah, ambition is giving you permission to start a YouTube channel. But as we've all just agreed, discovery is difficult. Therefore, YouTube is hard, yet not impossible. I say this at the start of every year, and I'll do so again. There are thousands of creators who are starting their channels today, and by the end of the year, they'll have one of these. And a handful more, maybe hundreds, will have one of these. Now, admittedly, those are the high achievers, and you may not be one of them. Even I took 13 years to get one of them, and that is an incredible amount of time to devote to one single thing. But time is something we all have an equal amount of. 24 hours in a day, 365 days a year. So how much time are you willing to spend creating on YouTube? And for how long? Are you willing to wake up an hour early in the morning to write your next script, or stop playing video games in the evening so you can edit your next video? Are you willing to make small sacrifices in your life to let this YouTube project enter it? If the answer is yes, then commitment gives you permission to start a YouTube channel. In another survey we conducted, over 20,000 people said that they understand that YouTube isn't a fly-by-night success story type of thing. It is a multi-year project. Some people are so determined they're never going to stop. So when, sometimes inevitably, your next video fails or you read a negative comment, remember that your channel is not going to be determined by that single moment in time. Instead, it's going to be judged by the next 10,000 plus decisions and actions you take over many years. So this one does require a prerequisite, and that is patience. If you do have patience, like many say they do in the poll we ran, then time is giving you permission to start a new channel. I could go on, but you get the idea by now, right? None of these things are stopping you, but they can become excuses. If a desire exists to start a YouTube channel, then every single day you don't is like adding a brick to a wall between yourself and progress. Each brick, each excuse makes it harder to climb over that wall and to plant a seed in the soil and dive into the swimming pool. That makes sense, right? Ultimately, you need permission to start a YouTube channel from just one single thing. And that's you. So on day one, let's not worry about picking a niche or building an audience profile, coming up with 10 curious-laden titles or 3 eye-catching thumbnails or scripting the perfect video hook. All of that can come tomorrow. Instead, today, just pick up your camera and let's go create something.